tough casting here, but very well tucked away spot. I reckon something might be hiding under. Oh, fuck the cast. Boy! Oh my god. Did I get that on film? Oh my god. Huge fish. Oh my god. Yep. Oh my god. Oh, he's barely hooked. Aiden, your net.
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
Big?
Yeah, good fish. Really good fish. One hook. Get him in the net. From the towel. Grab him by the mouth or something. Tight. Grab him tight, please. Please don't lose this fish, boys.
Take my phone.
Yes, boys!